Hey guys, we got a lot of stuff to unbox right here, so let's get started. Um, and here's the device. It's the EST Genesis G1 RHOV15. This is a Genesis horn strobe, and as you can see, this unit has the full lens, which I find pretty cool. I actually like how this looks better with the full lens instead of the cut that they do nowadays. This is a very nice alarm. Start with this now. We'll go with this one next. So this is a pretty interesting one. Pretty nice one. I think I already know what this one is. Oh, I thought I did. This is actually a pretty rare one though. It's the Cerberus Pyrotronics MTL S75F. It's a multi-tone horn strobe, I'm pretty sure. My first time seeing one of these in person. It's a very nice alarm. Yeah. That's gonna be fun testing this thing out actually. Alright, next we got this one here. And this is another Genesis and a trim plate. We got two things in this one box here. Let's start with the horn. This is a Genesis. In the older packaging, I think, older style packaging where it came in a thing, kind of like those Hot Wheels came in. I find kind of cool. Yeah, this is a Genesis horn only. I like that about the horns that they kept the same little aesthetic here. It's pretty cool. It's a G1 R-HO. First generation horn. Even though it's like a newer Genesis. This is their high output horn at the time. ZM kind of thing. But yeah, the model right there is G1R-HO. That's pretty cool. To see the packaging like this. And this one is, it's been opened once. But we have a system sensor Spectre Advanced PC2W selling horn strobe. We've seen these things before, but yeah, they're here anyways. Check it out. The first white device in this unboxing. Wow. And there's the mounting plate. The paint cover. And all the remaining supplies and whatnot. We'll have to keep the box. Alright, last two are coming up. Yeah. I actually find these boxes much easier to open than the other container. And this thing is a Gamewell alarm. Right here. This is already an idea of what it will be. It's a Gamewell 72162, I think what it's called. It is basically a rebranded MT. It's rebranded by Gamewell. Very nice to see one of these in real life. Wow. That's cool. This is the manual that goes with it. So yeah. And you can just put these pieces on right here after you're done screwing it in, which is nice. Alright, oh yeah, here's your other stuff that comes with it. Let's see, manual, all that stuff. Alright, then we got our last box right here. This one came from Amazon. Really tight, this one's good. Oh, I got it. Whoa, that's unusual to see that bubble wrap like that. And oh yes, this is gonna be a pretty good one. This is a specular speaker strobe. Let's see. Oh, the one that I got had the newer box where you open on the side. This one I think you go on the top like this. Oh, because it's a multi-candela unit. Wow. It's a multi-candela version of the SP2W1224MC multi-candela spectral speaker strobe. Now my mall has these things and very nice. I have a fixed candela variant too, but multi-candela looks kind of cool because you have that design on the strobe. So yeah, and then you got the stuff to mount it with. You got your limitation manual, which comes with every system sensor device. You have your spectral alert manual for selectable output speaker strobe. 1575, 110, 75, and 30 right there. Wow. So yeah, that's gonna be everything we unboxed. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.